Hi, let's say you own a $10 million property and need quick capital, but you don't want to sell the whole thing. Tokenization could be your smart way in. Real estate tokenization is projected to reach a massive $4 trillion. How can crypto founders enter this promising market? Let's see. Deloitte says tokenized real estate could hit $4 trillion by 2035, growing a lot from less than $300 billion in 2024. Everything starts with the property's legal structure. Place the property in a property holding company, SPV, then decide what each token gives the investor, such as ownership rights, interest payments, or a share of rental income. Choose the best token standard and blockchain for your project. The first option helps control transfers between verified investors, while the other supports different token classes and investment rules. Once the property and token are ready, build a platform where investors can verify, invest, track returns, and manage holdings. Every investor completes identity and eligibility checks. The platform then approves permitted transactions, blocks restricted transfers, protects administrative access, and records every activity securely. From launching platforms in just 5 to 6 weeks to tokenizing over $27 million in assets and onboarding thousands of investors, these projects represent some of our standout real estate tokenization success stories in the market. Have a promising idea in mind? Turn your asset into a market-ready investment business with Blockchain App Factory's proven experts.